tentacle monster. How'd you find my ult? These are earrings. What? Earring? But earrings! Where are the... I want two! I'm tired of this! Give me two! I'm just so multi-talented. I'm playing two characters right now. Don't let anyone else know though. Only you're allowed to know. I need to clean my armor chest. I want to get rid of that. Mystic is from the new dungeon. I don't want to get rid of that stuff either, just in case I need it for later. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. Adventures. Wait, do I need that one? No, it's a 190. I love how I keep all this old Savage stuff because I'm like, you know what if I do an ultimate one day, you know, with that gear, and then I never fucking do it. So it just sits there in my inventory, taking up space. Guys, what if I do DSR? There's no desire to do DSR. Guys, what if I do top? Does not want to do top. But what if? I need top. My thing is that I wouldn't mind doing some ultimates if more of my friends wanted to do them. You'll go wherever I take you. Get in, loser. We're going shopping. Oh my, Wawa, dude, I want Wawa.